Hello, this is the second episode of the website creation using AI. So, and in our last class, I mentioned something we call GitHub. So, GitHub is an open source platform where you can um, upload your projects and you can host from there. And also, you can find open source tools to use from GitHub. So, it's owned by Microsoft, the same as VS Code, so and every other tools that Microsoft created. So this is how you can actually use a tool, an AI tool called GitHub Copilot to build a website from start to finish. So first things first is you are going to go to github.com, as you can see here. Then you create an account. After creating an account, then when you get to this dashboard. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to look for GitHub Copilot. So we are going to type GitHub Copilot pricing. So it's going to take you to the plans page, and then you will see this that says take flights with GitHub Copilot for individual, free free for use. That's the free plan. Then we have the pro plan. The pro plan you can get 30 days free to use. So using the pro plan, you get 30 days free and you get access to coding agent and many more, which I'll be explaining to you in this video. So, and if you're a student as well, you can get it for free without paying at all. So, and so what you do is you're going to click on the pro, try for 30 days. After you click it, it will take you to a page um where you're going to sign up and everything. You need to have 15,000 naira in your account, in your bank account, which you'll be using the card for the subscription. So what you're going to do is, after inputting all the information there, it's going to ask you for your details, your billing details, and then your card, your bank card. So it accepts Visa card, Mastercard, but it doesn't accept Valve. So you should find a Visa card or a Mastercard to use. So after doing everything, make sure you have the 15,000 in your account. So they will debit 15,000 naira and 14,000, around 14,000 something. So from your account, and then they would credit you back the money. So it's just for them to confirm that the card is working. So you're going to get 30 days free, which is 1 month free to use this pro plan. And after then you can start paying for it. And or if you're a student, you don't need to pay at all. So after doing that, then you go back to GitHub here. So as you can see, I'm going to click these three lines, this menu button. Yeah, so I'm going to click it, and you can see Copilot here. Or better still, you come down to this place when you have this profile icon. Click on it, and then you see repositories. You click on repositories. After clicking on repository, you can see it says I have one repository here. So what we are going to do is we are going to click new. After clicking new, it's going to ask us the repository name. Let's say I want to use something like um maybe let's say portfolio, or any name for the project you want to use. So that's what you're going to use. You're going to use the name you'll be using for the project. So then you can choose the visibility, maybe private or public. So then you can choose to add a readme, which the GitHub Copilot AI agent would also add itself. So and then you just click create repository. So but I don't want to create a new repository because I already have one here, which I'll be using as a test. So after creating the repository, this is what I have. So I can decide to add readme. So when I add readme, it's going to show something. Let me quickly show you. So I'm adding a readme here now. Now I have a readme here already. So what I'm going to do is there are many ways you can actually do this. Naturally, there used to be something here which you can see when you click on code. You can see we have this mark beside this code button, that this green code button here. Beside it, there is this icon like that looks like cloud. So you are going to click it. So it says new agent task. Describe a coding task to work on, which means you actually want to do a coding task, an agent task in this repository that we created. So now before we actually give it a task, let's try something like a prompt. So what we're going to do is we are going to come to ChatGPT. So once we get there, we can now tell ChatGPT, write me a prompt to write me a very detailed prompt to build a portfolio website with all features a portfolio website should have. Use splash images. um Write me a very detailed prompt for we need to add the AI tool that will be building it, GitHub Copilot. So use unsplash images and make it very classy, premium and beautiful, using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. No folder structure. Copilot will do that itself. So if you actually have a different language in mind that you want to use for this website, you can actually add there. You can say maybe you should use Python, you can say use Node.js. So it all depends on what you want. So you can research on different languages that you can use, so you can build in different languages. So give it everything. So I just want to write a simple prompt, something ChatGPT to actually generate itself and give me something nice. So if you want to add if you want to be a way that we can upload things there, we can add it as well. So it all depends on what you want. So I'll just go ahead with this one. So it's going to write me a prompt. So you can see it's writing the prompt. So we're going to copy this prompt. So up at here, and then you can see it says build me a complete premium grade personal portfolio website using pure HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Create everything from ground up and organize project structure yourself with best practice and clean structure. The entire design should feel elegant, blah blah blah, everything. So you can see hero section, everything. So something I didn't remember to add include that it should send a screenshot of mobile, desktop and tablet views once done. It should make everything work seamlessly. So once it updates the prompt, So it's going to bring the new prompt. As you can see. So we're going to copy this prompt, and we're going to come here. So once you copy it, copy. You are going to come back to GitHub. You can see here it says I told you that you are going to add new agent task. So you come here and then you paste it there. Then you click this send button. So it's going to show you this page. You can see it says creating build me a project, a complete project. So and it's already started working. So you can click on it to see what it's actually doing. So as you can see, spinning up the dev environment. So it might take time. So sometimes it can take up to 20 minutes or so or more. So I've done one before that took up to 50 minutes. So it all depends on the features and everything. So once it's done, we're going to continue. So I'll send another video that shows every other thing you need to do once the work is completed.